Hey guys, today's video is going to be my May Boxycharm unboxing. The theme for this month is Flourish. And I got variation C21051116. So this month they only sent me the base box. Usually send me the base and the premium box, but like I said, I only got the base box. I don't know if the premium box is coming in the mail. Usually they send them together, so I don't know, but this is what I got for you guys today. All right, first thing in the box is from Murad. This is the Environmental Shield. Yes, City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer retails for $74. Detoxify and revitalize skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. That might be why my wrinkles are like the Grand Canyon. It is a breakthrough formula that contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthen skin's barrier while you sleep. You know, I will try this. Although this says step 3. I'm missing step 1 and step 2. I feel like I need to do step 1 and step 2 before I do step 3. So I don't know. I'll try it. I'll try it out. All right. Next is from Sophia and Mabel. Mabel was our hamster's name, our old hamster. Mabel. This is the Hydrating Hybrid 2-in-1 Lipstick Balm. Retails for $15. It's a hydrating lipstick and a lip balm in one. Okay, let's see. Oh, jeez, dropping shit. It's in the color Topless, so I'm assuming it is a nude color. Here's the packaging. I need to do my nails really bad, really bad. Oh, okay, we have like a see-through container here. Yeah, it's a nude color. Okay, yes, I will wear this. Okay, next thing in the box is from Ciate. This is a Shadow Flip. Shadow Flip Multi-Chromatic Shifting Liquid Eyeshadow in the color, oh, that's tiny, Ember. Ember retails for $20. It's a liquid eyeshadow that has shade-shifting, color-flipping pigments. It creates an instant multi-chrome effect on the lids. All right, let's check this out. Let's see. Oh, yes. Look at that. All right. Let's see. Oh, whoa, whoa. It looks green. Then it looks orange, green, orange. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't know if you guys will be able to see. Yeah, it's just going to look orange. But I swear, like it looks green right now if I'm looking at it. Yeah, the camera's not going to, because you got to like look at it like that. Oh, you can kind of see, kind of, sort of. I'm excited for this. Like, whoa, that's so weird. It's a completely different color like that. And then like that. It's a completely different color. Like, whoa. What is this? Beekman 1802. This is the Dewy-Eyed Illuminating and Depuffing Eye Serum. Retails for $42. Say goodbye to fatigue and awaken tired eyes. I need this. I need this now. Awaken. I just realized I have drool on my shirt. I was just holding Nolan. Okay. Awaken tired eyes with a highly concentrated, clinically proven eye serum. It's a powerful blend of actives and goat milk. Quickly absorbs into the skin for hygiene revitalization that illuminates eyes while helping to fight the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. There's that guy. We're gonna try this out. Seriously. Oh, it comes in a little baggie. All right. There it is. There it is. Okay. Yes. Apply a pea-sized amount. Does anyone actually listen to that? I love how on like shampoo bottles, it's like apply a dime size amount. I'm like, I have to apply an amount the size of like 50 million dimes. Like, no, not a dime size. Like, what? Or a quarter size. Like, no, I friggin' half the bottle in my hand. Next thing, this is the last thing. No palette. No palette this month. Okay, this is from Skin Inc. This is the My Daily Dose of Uplift. This skin reviving serum with encapsulated collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid delivers an anti-aging power punch, giving you a smoother, firmer, and younger looking skin. It retails for $65. I've tried something from Skin Inc. before. They sent me my own little serum thing. I got to like create a little serum. And honestly, I didn't really like it too much. So, you know, so we'll see how I think about this. Well, that's what that guy looks like. All right, so that is everything in my May Boxycharm, you know, as far as my thoughts. Again, I've used a Skin Inc. product before. I didn't really like it, but I'll try this guy out. What else? This eyeshadow, this multi-chromatic duochrome holographic eyeshadow. I like it. I will definitely use that. This color is nude. I like nudes. I will try that out. This little guy, this eye serum, for sure gonna try it out. And then you know, the overnight moisturizer, you know, we'll try it out. But again, this is step 3. I need step 1 and step 2, I think, right? Doesn't that make sense, you know? All right, I'm gonna go now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to sign up for Boxycharm, I'll have a link down below. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.